Hi there, it's Michelle Rogers popping in here with a quick tip for you. I had a question today from one of the participants in my group fitness class about how to use the resistance tube at home and how to use it with the over-the-door attachment. So, as I was trying to explain that, I thought, you know what, I think it would be easier to show you rather than just tell. So, that's what I'm going to do here. So this is a resistance tube. It's with the tube with handles, okay? And then this is the over-the-door attachment. It's basically, at this end, it's got kind of a ball inside, and then it has a loop here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one handle of the tube. We're gonna put it through the loop. And then just string it down so it's in the middle. And it's real important, you want to make sure that your handles are even at the bottom. Okay, so we have this at the top. Open the door, and then you put this so that the ball is on the outside, and then you shut the door. And then you can pull it, and it's not going to go anywhere. Do make sure that you're using a good quality tube that's not going to break on you. But with this, now we can do all sorts of exercises. You can do a row where you're pulling towards you. You can push down, working your triceps. You can turn around. You can use it this way. There's all sorts of things that you can do with it. Oh, you can even squat. This is one of my favorites. So hold it, squat down, and come up. And if you have any issues doing squats normally unassisted, doing it with the resistance tube is going to help you be able to go lower and come up easier. So that's a great way to get started. And then you don't have to leave it up at the top. You can also use it in the middle. So maybe you might want to put it about shoulder level. And then you can do other exercises. Do all sorts of things. You could put it down closer to the floor and sit on the floor and use it that way. So basically it's a way to make a little exercise machine. Resistance tubes are great for traveling because they don't weigh hardly anything, and you can still get your strength training in when you're on the road or whether you're at home. So I'm going to put some links to where you can find this on Amazon, which is where I found it. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm also going to put some links to some videos that I created of the resistance tube workout, and then an article with photos that I also did that you can print out so that you can do these exercises at home. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know. Thanks, and have a great rest of the day. Bye.